Symbols can also be imported from another environment. To do this, go to the library and the Symbol Manager. Notice that we can import DWG files. You can do this by directory or by one file at a time. I'll choose a motor.dwg file. I'll hit Next. It will ask us in this wizard where the symbol came from. If it came from these different systems, there are special things that can be imported and translated on the fly. For example, AutoCAD electrical symbols may have attribute data that can be automatically mapped. In this case, I'm going to choose No Configuration and hit Next. Next, it will ask us to add a new type of symbol. We can give it a description here. It doesn't have one now. We can tell it to be part of a certain library. I'll set it to be part of my user library. And I'll set a classification of this to motors. A preview is also available here for us to look at the symbol. I'll hit Next. If there were any attributes here, they would be available to map. There are no attributes in the symbol, so I'll hit Next. And you can save this as a configuration file. So if you did map attributes and they were similar over time, you could actually use the import configuration file. I don't need to do that now, so I'll hit Do Not Save and Finish. And here is the new symbol. Modify the properties of this to set the unit system, the default root mark that you want established with that symbol, a description, and say OK. Now notice that there are different types of symbols in front of the descriptions. This is a single line symbol, and this is a multi-line symbol. So we want to make sure that this is a single line symbol. Here is the symbol that I'm working on in uppercase. We'll go to Properties. There's the preview. We're going to set it to be a single line symbol. Excellent. If we close that out, go to our line diagram, I can go ahead and insert, under Insert Symbol, the motor that we want. So I'll just go ahead and browse, go to Motors, and there's our motor symbol. You notice that it's giving us an M automatically, and it's calculating motor number 4.